Student, today I teach you lesson number 3 addition and subtraction. Next topic is the subtraction. So in last year also you can study about this subtraction. So look there. First problem. Last year 38,790 students took a certain exam. This year the number was 47,528. How many more students took the exam this year? So first of all, in subtraction write the big number 47,528 minus 38,796. So from 8 minus 6 there is a 2. From 2 we cannot subtract 9. So take 10 there. 12, 10 plus 2, 12. I can write here 12. 12 minus 9, 3. If you can take 10, there is a one less number there is there. There one number is less. So write here 4. From 4 we cannot subtract 7. So take here 10. 14 minus 7, 7. If you can take there is the 6 there. From 6 we cannot subtract 8. So write here 16. 16 minus 8, 8, 8. From you can take there is a 3. 3 minus 3, 0. The answer is 8,732 more students took the exam this year. Next problem is the, look there, problem set 10. So subtract first problem 64,293 subtract minus 28,547. So I can solve here. Look there how to solve this one. So first of all, look there, from 3 you cannot subtract 7. So take here 13. From there take 10. 13 minus 7, 6. If you can take, there is the 8. From 8, 8 minus 4, 4. Then there is the 2. From 2 you cannot subtract 5. So take here 10. From 12, if you can subtract 5, there is a 7. If you can take there is a 3. From 3 we cannot subtract 8. So take there 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Right here 13 first of all. 13 minus 8, 5. If you can take there is a 5. 5 minus 2, 3. The answer is 35,746. Next is the subtraction of 6 and 7 digit numbers. You have learned to carry out in last year classes. You can study about 5 digit number, subtraction of 5 digit number. But this year there is a subtraction of 7 digit numbers. So look how we can do. This one is also same method. So look there, I can write here first problem 34,61,058 minus 27 lakh 4,579. So first of all write numbers there. From 8 we cannot subtract 9. So take here 10 and this add there 8. 18 minus 9, 9. So as you take the 10, there is the one number less. They write here 4. If we can cut there 5 and write here 4. 4 minus 4, from 4 we can subtract 7. So take there 10. 14 minus 7, 7. Then there is the 0. If you can take the from 10 1, there is a 9. 9 minus 5, 4. Then from there is a 1. We can subtract from 1 from 1 4. They take 10. 10 minus 4, 6. Then there is the 5. Write here 5. There is no number. Then from 4 we can subtract 7. So take 10. 14. Write here 14. Cut there. 14 minus 7, 7. If you can take the from 1, less one number less. 2. Write here 2. 2 minus 2, 0. In this way answer is 7,56,479. Next is the problem set 11. In problem set 11 I can solve one problem. Problem set 11. First of all, solving one problem set 11, I can teach you new method for solving the subtraction. Here look there. There is a 40 lakh 4 lakh 58,000 4 lakh 5,825 minus 9,876. So there is a new method how to subtract this. Look there. First of all, from 5 we cannot subtract 6. So take 10 here, 15. Write here 15. 15 minus 6. Write here 9. If we can take there, so you can put the one number here, not here. You cannot cut it this number. You can write here 1. You can add this 7 plus 1, 8. So from 2 we cannot subtract 8. 12 minus 8, 4. Then you can take 10 there. You can put here 1 again. 8 plus 1, 9. From 8 we cannot subtract 9. So take here 10. 18 minus 9, 9. Then from put here 1. From 5 you cannot subtract 10. So take here 10. 15 minus 10, 5. So write here 1. From 0 we cannot subtract 1. 0, so you can take 10. 10 minus 1, 9. So next is the 4 minus 1, 3. In this way, this is the new method. Yeah, you can put old method also, and you can carry out the new method also. So first of all, I can solve the problem set 11. I can solve one problem there. 11. Look there. I can write here number 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. So I can use new method. From 3 we can subtract 13 minus 6, 7. I can put here 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 11 minus 6, you cannot take here 11 minus 10. 11 minus 6, 5. I can put here 1. 5 minus 3, 2. Then 7 minus 2, 5. We cannot take from this, so we cannot put there 1. Okay. Then 15 minus 8, 7. 8 minus 4 plus 1, 5. 8 minus 5, 3. So you can use this method. If you cannot understand this method, so you can use old method only. Okay. Next is the problem set 12. There is a word problem is there. Prathamesh want to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? प्रथमेश को क्या लेना है? लैपटॉप लेना है. कितने रुपीज़ का है? 27,450. बट उसके पास कितने पैसे हैं? 22,975. तो उसको और कितनी रुपीज़ चाहिए उसके लिए, लैपटॉप खरीदने के लिए? तो यहाँ पे पहले क्या करना है आपको? प्रॉब्लम से 12 में देखो, सबसे पहले वो उसका प्राइस लिखना है. प्राइस ऑफ द लैपटॉप 27,450. देन उसके पास कितने मनी है वो लिखना है, 22,975. फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस वन. 10 minus 5, 5. Then from 5 we can subtract 7. So take here 10, 15. 50 minus 7. 77,450. 15 minus 7, 8 here. Okay. हाँ. Again look there. Problem set 12. 10 minus 5, 5. So from this we can take, there is a 4. 14 there. From 14 we can subtract 7. There is a right 7. 14 minus 7, 7. Then you can take from this, right here 3. 13. 13 minus 9. Right there 4. If you can take from this, right here 6. 6 minus 2, 4. Then 2 minus 2, 0. So in this way subtract it. Okay. Next is the problem set 13. Problem set 13, I can explain one problem there. The forest department planted 23,078 trees of kher and 90,476 of behda, besides trees of several other kinds. If the department planted 50,000 trees together, how many trees were neither of kher nor of behda? So in this you can first of all add it, then subtract it. Two methods are done there, operations are done. First of all you can make addition, then subtraction. First of all you can write kher samplings, behda samplings 23,078 and 19,470. First of all you can add this. 8 plus 6, 14. Then 7 plus 7, 8 plus 6, 14. Carry here 1. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. Then carry here 1. 4 plus 1, 5. Then 9 plus 13, 12. Right here 2. 1 carry here. 2 plus 3, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3 plus 1, 4. The total number of samplings kher and behda are 42,554. Okay. So from this total number of samplings are there 50,000 to subtract this one from 50,000, we can subtract total number of samplings. Look there how the answer is 10 minus 4 6. If we can take 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 2 7, and 4 minus 4 0. The answer is 0 7,446. 46. How many trees were neither a bear care nor a bear? So these are the answer 7,456. Okay, in this we can solve all these problem set 13, problem set 12, problem set 11, and problem set 10. Okay.